Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my grandma. Abby's up in the mix. There she is. Welcome to another Come With Me. I'm so excited to bring you guys to another plant shop in the city. Never been here before. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what was your favorite part in today's video. So this particular plant is priced for $17 and it's a Madagascar Octotilo. I think I'm pronouncing that correct. We have one in front of our restaurant. I'm gonna try to see if I can propagate it. Mexican fence for $25. Variegated elephant's bush for $11. Totem pole cactus, grandma, look at this. Price for $17.
Look at this one.
This one's really cool too, for $11. Grandma, look at this. I think this is a Peruvian old man, but look, he's super tall.
Yeah.
Priced for $30, and the string of bananas is priced for $20. I'm so excited to walk in. Let's take a look. Here we are. I love this space. This is such a really fun plant shop in Arizona. Never been here before, but to see a plant shop here, super cool. ZZ's priced for $25. They have a big peperomia here, priced for $19. The obtusifolia. The lemon lime dracaena, priced for $20. This is the first time actually I've seen a zebra plant with a bloom. That's interesting. And the money tree. Priced for $20. And this is also priced for $22. Oh, look at these fiddly figs. $20 for this little baby. How cute. Grandma's up in the mix here. $29, $17, $25 for the calatheas. This is interesting. The little guys here are priced for $12. Bird's snake fern priced for $7. That's fairly reasonable for Arizona. And Sansevieria priced for $40. I love this. Look at all these babies. You could split it apart. And then we got this section here. $3.25. So on the prices. Here's those planters again. They follow me everywhere here. Ooh, look at this. This is a Aloe snowstorm hybrid. I have to send a picture of this to Kira. This is super cool. The watch chain here, calanchos. I believe I've seen this guy in the other plant nursery here. And then here is the same guy I have, the corn on the corn cob cactus. I have a variegated one. This is an all green one. You got some interesting guys here. This one is quite interesting too. It's called a rainbow burst. I think this is so interesting. Let's see. We get that right there. So cool. Yes, Graham. Oh, that is cute. Oh, Grandma, look at the pumpkins.
I know, they're gonna carve.
How cute. Love that. Love the vibes. The Tillandsia. Yes. Very trendy for a house decor. $7 for these guys. Super cute. Huh?
Sign.
Freeze, pull your own. You like that sign, Grandma?
Yeah.
2 inches is priced for $4.
What are these?
$7. It's a little palm, Grandma.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
You got little gnomes. $12 for the Chinese money plant. This guy here is priced for $11. Actually, Grandma, look at this interesting cylindrical sansevieria. That's pretty cool. And here's those planters. They're everywhere. Copper tone. This is a sansevieria. I've never seen a copper tone one before though, Grandma. Look at this. Interesting color and texture. Abby, you hanging out? Grandma fixed your harness.
What is this? So
Huh?
ugly.
Mother-in-law's tongue, but a different variation.
Oh.
Copper tone. Price for $40. And $36 for snake plant. Pothos Enjoy, price for $20. Do you see that, Grandma? How they have that pole up there to hold it up? And then that sansevieria is priced for $22. Lipstick plant. And here's their Hoyas. Okay, I'm getting distracted by the Haworthias. And the Hoya is priced for $19. Oh, Grandma, look, do you see that up there?
Yep.
The Pelia plant.
Oh,
I love how it's
different,
I love how it's all the way up there. And then this big guy here. This one is super nice. What a statement piece. $27. Actually, Grandma, this is not that bad for $27. You could split this with a plant friend like what Kira and I did and get the plant but for half the price. That's something I like to do.
And the back one.
Which one?
All three.
These ones you could split with plant friend. $27. Grandma, look at this. I have this right here. They give off a very stinky flower bloom, but mine's haven't bloomed yet. Loving this plant shop. It is so, so cute. We got the 4-inch plants here for $6. Very reasonable considering this is Arizona, and I swear I've seen it all when it comes to prices. They even got the prayer plant here. They got the golden pothos.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, that's the first time I've ever seen the zebra plant bloomed. We got some beautiful guys here. And they also have the green Congo philodendron, which is priced for $20. Very interesting. I am loving this shop. It's so, so. And then they got different pots here. I love ceramic planters. I love this shop.
And then you can feed them, they're gonna kind of start going a little dormant side.
I love how they have like plants not for sale. I don't know where Grandma went, but love the colors of this. So cute. So here's the overview of the space. I see Grandma out there waiting for me. Enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what was your favorite part of this plant shop. It was definitely very fun to come into a plant shop in a different city, see what they had to offer, the prices and the variety that they had. And I love seeing like a boutique plant shop in the city, which is very different vibes from anything else like a big box store or a garden center. So I love that. It's definitely very nice to see the Arizona plant community. Find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Give this video a big thumbs up. And that is going to wrap up today's video. Aloha from Phoenix, Arizona.